This dance is called Blue Jean Queen. It's a 32 count, 2 wall, improve a level line dance with 1 restart and 1 introductory set of steps. Starting on the right foot, you're going to rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left, rock to the side on the right, recover your weight on the left. Cross the right behind the left, step the left to the side and add on a right-footed cross shuffle, crossing the right over the left, left to the side, right over the left. Step back on that left, step the right to the side, touch the left beside the right and clap, left to the side, touch the right beside the left and clap. That set of steps once more then. Forward rock, side rock off on the right. 7, 8. Forward rock, side rock, behind side cross shuffle, back, side touch. So it might seem like a lot of steps in these sections, it's because there's a lot of uncounts in the dance. You're going into a rumba box forward, so you're going to step the right to the side, left beside right, step the right forward, touch the left beside the right. Step the left to the side, right beside left, step the left back, kick the right. Back lock step, right foot leading, so you step the right back, lock the left over the right, step back on that right. Add on a coaster step, left foot leading, so you step back on the left, right beside left, step the left forward, scuff the right. That set of steps once more then, rumba box off on the right. 7, 8, side, close, step, touch, side, close, back, kick, back, lock, back, coaster, step, scuff. Let's add that to the top. Forward rock, side rock off on the right. 7, 8, forward rock, side rock, behind side, cross shuffle, back, side touch, side close, step, touch, side close, back, kick, back, lock, back, coaster, step, scuff. You're going to add on some more step lock steps. Continue to face forward, but you're going to travel to the diagonal. So a right step lock towards the diagonal, so you step the right diagonally forward, lock the left behind the right, step that right forward, scuff that left. Then you go to the left diagonal, so you step the left diagonally forward, lock the right behind the left, step that left diagonally forward again. You're then going to walk yourself around 4 steps, making a full turn so you get back to the front. Quarter, 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 quarter. So 4 steps round, making a full turn. That set of steps once more then, step locks off on the right. 7, 8, step, lock, step, scuff, step, lock, step, walk, 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 walk. Now you basically are doing a full turn in those final 4 counts of this section. Should you need to try and take that out, what you can actually do your step locks the same as everybody else. Then instead of turning, cross the right over the left, step back on the left, step the right to the side and step that left forward. So you're effectively doing a jazz box at the end. You can make them nice big steps if you like. Try and follow the circular path that everybody else will be taking. So non-turning steps should you need to adjust that section. Let's add that to the top. Forward rock, side rock off on the right. 7, 8, forward rock, side rock, behind side, cross shuffle, back, side touch, side close, step, touch, side close, back, kick, back, lock, back, coaster, step, scuff, step, lock, step, scuff, step, lock, step, walk, 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 walk. You're going to go into some vaudeville steps. So you're going to cross that right over left, step the left to the side, touch that right heel forward on the diagonal, bring that right back beside the left. And repeat going the other way. Cross the left over the right, right to the side, touch that left heel forward, and then step that left beside the right. You're then going into a jazz box. You're going to make half a turn in this one. So you're going to cross it right over the left, make a quarter turn to the right as you step back on that left, step the right, a quarter turn forward, and then step forward on that left. That set of steps once more then. Vaudevilles off on the right. 7, 8. Cross and heel and cross and heel and cross, turn, turn, step. End of the dance when we get to that point. Let's put it all together. Forward rock, side rock off on the right. 7, 8. Forward rock, side rock, behind, side, cross, shuffle, back, side, touch, side, close, step, touch, side, close, back, kick, back, lock, back, coaster, step, scuff, step, lock, step, scuff, step, lock, step, walk, 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 cross and heel and cross and heel and cross, turn, turn, step. That's your dance. I did say it's got quite a few hand counts in it, so I'll now go through it with the counts. Forward rock, side rock off on the right. 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. So hopefully that gives you a bit of feel for the timing of the dance. Now it is a 2-wall dance, so let's have a go at the back wall. And we'll keep going when we get back to the front so you can see how the walls join together. And I am going to speed it up when you get back to the front wall because the music is quite a bit faster. Forward rock, side rock off on the right. 7, 8. Forward rock, side rock, behind, side, cross, shuffle, back, side, side, close, step, touch, side, close, back, kick, back, lock, back, coaster, step, scuff, step, lock, step, scuff, step, lock, step, walk, 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 cross and heel and cross and heel and cross, turn, turn, step. Forward rock, side rock, behind, side, cross, shuffle, back, side, touch, side, close, step, touch, side, close, back, kick, back, walk, back, coaster, step, scuff, step, lock, step, scuff, step, lock, step, walk, 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 cross and heel and cross and heel and cross, turn, turn, step. So hopefully you managed to follow that. That is your dance. Now we have one little restart in this dance. It comes on wall 4 after 24 counts. So you would have just walked yourself around in your full circle and you restart. So wall 4 is our 6 o'clock wall. Let's take you up to 24 counts and restart the dance. Forward rock, side rock off on the right. 7, 8. Forward rock, side rock, behind, side, cross, shuffle, back, side, touch, side, close, step, touch, side, close, back, kick, back, lock, back, coaster, step, scuff, step, lock, step, scuff, step, lock, step, walk, 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 restart, forward, rock, side, rock, behind, side, cross, shuffle, back, side touch. So hopefully you can see how that fits in. All four after 24 counts. Now I did say right at the beginning, there is also an introductory set of steps in this dance. So basically, your intro, usually on most dances, is around about 32 counts. This one is effectively 40 counts. But what the choreographer suggested is you wait the 32 counts, you do 8 counts worth of steps, and then you start the main dance. So your introductory steps, quite simply, jazz box with a step. So you're going to cross the right over the left, step back on the left, right to the side, step forward on that left. Then step forward on the right, pivot yourself half a turn to the left, step forward on the right, pivot yourself half a turn to the left. And then you start the main dance. All single count timing. Just do that once more. Jazz box with the step. 7, 8. Cross, back, side, step, step, pivot, step, pivot. Now you have got double step pivot half in that very introductory set of steps. If you need to take it out, just replace it with a rocking chair. So you do your jazz box with your step, add on your rocking chair, and then you're ready to start the dance. So we're just going to do that introductory set, go into the main wall of the dance, just so you can see how the two join together. Jazz box off on the right. 7, 8, cross, back, side, step, step, pivot, step, pivot. Forward rock, side rock, behind, side, cross, shuffle, back, side touch. So that basically is how you will be starting the dance. So that is it. That is your dance, your walkthrough, your restart, your introductory set of steps. Let's give it a go to a bit of music.
I'm only human, don't know what I'm doing. Then I broke your heart. Now you wanna leave me, caught up in your feelings. Can we get a brand new start? You're my blessing, ain't no stressing. We had another meltdown, telling me to leave town.
5, 6, 7, 8. Cross, back, side, step, step, pivot, step, pivot. Forward rock, side rock, behind side, cross, shuffle, back, side touch, side close, step touch, side close, back kick, back lock, back, coaster, step, step lock, step lock, step, walk, 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 walk. Cross and heel and cross and heel and cross, turn, step. Forward rock, side rock, behind side, cross, shuffle, back, side touch, side close, step touch, side close, back kick, back lock, back, coaster, step, step lock, step lock, step, walk, 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 walk. Cross and heel and cross and heel and cross, turn, step. Forward rock. Rumba. Step lock. Barbells. Full rock. Restart wall. Rumba.
Surprises let me know she cares.
Step lock.
Say it ain't so, I will not go. Turn the lights on.
Restart. Forward rock. Rumba. Step lock. Barbells. Hope you managed that one.